What's up, guys? Welcome to Unorthodox Garage, where I do not have my own garage and I no longer have a working car. But if you want more details on the car and what happened, you can check out my most recent video, the one before this one. Today, I'm going to be reviewing some LED lights. This company, Oxilam, I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing that right, O-X-I-L-A-M. Oxilam or Oxilam. I'm gonna say Oxilam. That sounds better. Oxilam. So this company Oxilam hit me up. All right, they sent me out some LED lights. I got 5 pairs of 912, 921 LED lights for my car. That's a reverse light. Some other cars, that's dome lights, door lights, glove box lights. I think even some daytime running lights. But for my car, that's the reverse lights. Now, first off, I want to say that I'm already a little skittish because this is what they look like. And then I'm going to call that the board, the circuit board, all right, is on the other side. So with all the other lights on my car, every single light that this car has, with the exception of my fog lights, and that's just because it was too expensive and it's too close to the ground and water gets up in there. It just would have been a waste of money. But every single light on the car is an LED light. My headlights, my dome lights, my brake lights, everything. But they all have the bulbs like this. Obviously, this is from the side where I got hit, okay? So it's a little busted here in the back, but the rest of it is still intact. And you can see here that where the light's coming from, it's like it's not going all the way around, but it's shining in a way that you can see it like 360 degrees all the way around. Like there's full coverage, okay? Like it's going everywhere. And then it comes out of the end here. I'm pretty sure this was one of my turn signals. Definitely was not a headlight. My headlights are a lot bigger. They got these like cooling fans and fins on them. They look really cool, but this, you can clearly see, is going to cover everything. Besides the part, obviously, where you're going to be plugging it in. So it's going to be shining everywhere. You're going to be able to see it. But with the ones that they sent me, like I said earlier, they're only on one side. So I'm not too sure how that's going to look. I'm hoping that it's not like one side's lit and the other side's dark. But maybe they're just so bright that it doesn't matter. And also at the same time, they are going in an enclosed space that has a reflective surface behind it, so it might only need to be lit on one side, and it lights it so well that it just shines everywhere and looks really good. But I'm hoping that they look really good, okay? I'm really hopeful for these. All right, so what I'm going to be doing first is showing you guys the lights, the stock reverse lights that I have on my car right now. I'm going to turn off the lights in here in the garage, and I'm going to shine them. It's going to be, it's kind of a mess over here, so ignore all that. We're just looking for, quality of light. But they're just my normal stock ones that the factory, suggests for your car, all that stuff. There's a ghost. But yeah, I've always had those. They never did me wrong. And that's, again, what Honda wants you to use for this car. That's what they suggest. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that first. And then I'm going to go ahead and remove one of them, put the LED bulb in there, okay, and then I'm going to do a side-by-side, and then with both LEDs. So that's how we're going to do this. Okay, so that was just the regular stock OEM lights. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this one out, put one of those LED bulbs, one of these, I'm going to put one of these in there. Alright, so on the right hand side, or the passenger side, that's where the LED one is, and the left is the stock one. Alright, so obviously there is a massive difference, and I've got the LED bulb. Wow, you can't even see. Alright, so let me turn the light back on. Alright, so I've got the LED bulb facing that way. And you can't tell, you cannot tell what way that LED is actually facing it there. That's how bright it is. So that does work out perfectly fine. And this one, yeah, there's no, you can't even compare them. And it looks so much better. The white, it almost makes me want to drive in reverse. if you understand what I'm trying to say there. Yeah. All right, cool. I'm gonna put the camera down. I'm gonna put both of them in and then turn the lights off. All right, so I've got both of the LED bulbs in. Again, turn off the lights, and I'm gonna put it in reverse. Put my thing down, flip it in reverse, it. Let's see here. Wow, okay, all right. There they are, yeah. And yeah, you cannot tell, first off, the light's too bright. Again, they're really bright. Look at that. That's reverse light power. Let me turn the lights on here. That's just phenomenal. That works a lot better than I thought that it would. And you can't tell that they're only one-sided. So that's not even an issue. That's fantastic. That is amazing. Can't wait to get this thing back on the road. If you forgot, this is what's in there. 912, 921. This is doing that. For 15 bucks, I bought a 5-pack of these. 15 bucks on Amazon. Again, Amazon, can't stress that enough, because then if you don't like it, guess what? You can just return it. No questions asked. But I like it very much. This is definitely something that I'm going to be keeping. And you know what? I'll give the rest of these away. So yeah, yeah, that's a good idea. I'll give some of these away. So I've got another 4 sets. Actually, another 3, because I'm probably going to keep one more for myself. So I've got another 3 sets, you know. Like, share, and comment on this video. And I'll make sure that you receive one of these sets right here. Right there. That's what it looks like. In all of its glory. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so if you found this video helpful in any way, shape, or form during your LED light buying experience, okay, or search, all right, please like and subscribe to this video. Also, check out, and big shout out to Oxalam for sending me out these lights. I really do appreciate it. That is awesome, and they work amazing. I still have them on, actually. I haven't turned the car off. But yeah, I couldn't be any happier with them. They do exactly what I thought. Well, not that what I thought, but they do exactly what they say they'll do in the description for the lights. And you get 5 packs for $15, which I can't stress enough. And that's just like, that wasn't my price or anything like that, because they sent me those. That's what the link is on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link down below in the description, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. Yeah, there are ghosts here. I don't even see anybody out there. Definitely ghosts. But yeah, make sure you like, share, and subscribe for this video. I really do appreciate it. It really helps me out here. All right, those little tiny ads that I put in the videos, feel free to sit there and, you know, just sit on that for a few extra seconds, because that's gonna help me put this car back on the road even quicker. And I really do appreciate all of my subscribers. We're about to hit 1,900. I'm hoping to hit 1,900 before New Year's. So I got another month. We could do another 40. I think another 40 people, something like that. We're totally capable of doing that. That's nothing to this channel. But yeah, I really do appreciate it, guys. Thanks for checking out the video. Hopefully you guys liked my review of these, because they're pretty sick. Look at that. Look at the glare that's on the camera. Look at that. You can't even see. For 15 bucks, you can't beat it. 15 bucks. That's 15. 15. $15. That is a, what is that? The burger box at McDonald's. For one of those, you have 5 sets of LED brake lights. Again, like, share, and subscribe. Make sure that you comment on this video, and I'll make sure that well, I mean, not everybody, but I'm gonna pick 3 people. I'm going to be picking through people to send the rest of these LED reverse lights out to. So make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you check me out on Instagram. Follow me on there. Alright guys, so that pretty much sums up this video for my LED Oxalam reverse lights, 912, 921. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Okay, hopefully I, you know, helped or brought some things to light. Anything like that. Brought some things to light. Wow, that wasn't intentional either. And you guys all be safe out there. Have a good one.